Hey everyone, so I'm back at it today, and today I am doing the color challenge. So Molly from Molly's Artistry and Rinske Douna, we all created a color challenge. So Molly has challenged me to do a Dutch pour using phthalo blue, which I have, Academy. And then she said either copper or gold, so I chose copper from Artist Loft. And then she said an orangey red. So the orangey red that I have is cadmium red light hue, although to me it really looks like orange. It doesn't even look like red. But anywho, so those are my three colors. And so that is my challenge. And that is what I'm gonna do. So let's bring it down and see where we're at here. Let's see. I think everyone's good there. I think you can see. Perfect. So I know Molly and Rinske have both uploaded their videos. So I figured I better get working here and get my butt in gear and do this challenge that Molly and Rinske and I have started here. So I'm doing a small canvas. I've been doing so many canvases lately, I don't even know what to do with them. I need to maybe do a live auction. If anyone's interested in a live auction, I can do that. Let me know in the comments if you want. So, all right. So I'm just doing a small 8x8 canvas here. Just gonna make sure I get all my edges. Like so. Oops, got the lid in there. Come on. There we go. All right, perfect. Edges are covered. Perfect. All right. Let's pop those bubbles. Alrighty, so we've got the orangey red, the phthalo blue, and the copper. So I think I'm gonna start with the orange. Alright. Orangey red. And we'll do the phthalo blue next. Molly, if this turns into mud, it's your fault because you chose these colors. All right, and then copper. So there we go. Let's flood it. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna add some more blue on top of that because I like blue. Why not? There we go. Let's see what happens, guys. Oh, I blew the white really well over that one. That's cool. All right, let's blow it back and see what happens. Wow. So, and because this is a smaller canvas and I did an 8x8, usually I'll blow two directions, but this one, damn. Well, Molly, I take it back, sweetheart. That is just stunning. I can't believe that. That's amazing. I love it. Great color choices, Molly. Very well done. I like it. And let's just torch it and see what happens. Sometimes I don't want to torch it because I like the way it looks, but let's just torch it a bit here in the center and see what pops up. Oh yeah, I don't want to even do the top. I just like to do the center. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Let me bring you guys down, but I'm not going to take you off the tripod because I don't want to drop my phone in the painting because this one's really nice and I don't want to ruin this one. So I'm just going to do it like this. Maybe I'll do it like this from now on. That way I'll make sure I don't drop anything. Look at that. That's insane. I honest to God didn't think this was going to turn out good. I'm like, ugh, orangey red. But I clearly was wrong. I love the green. It just, there's some green in there. It's insane. Look at that. That is crazy. I love it. It's amazing. So there you have it. Challenge accepted and done, Molly. It's finished. And Rinske, that's done too. So now we've all done our challenges. And now I'm challenging you, Stephanie Gagos. I'm challenging you to the color challenge. So don't forget to put the hashtag color challenge. Drop it in Instagram, and then you can also put it in your video on YouTube. So Stephanie, what colors should I give you to do? I don't want to sabotage you, so let's go with yellow, phthalo blue, and yellow, blue, and like a green, like a lighter green. How about we try those three colors? So phthalo blue, yellow, and green. So maybe like a light green or something, like this color green. Maybe like that. Green, yellow, and phthalo blue. Let's see you do that, Stephanie. I can't wait to see what you come up with, hun. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope you like this quick little video of my color challenge with Molly's Artistry and Rinske Douna. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the little notification bell. I swear I'm gonna get a bell one day so that I can just go click the bell, ring-a-ling-ling. I'm gonna get that. It'll be on my to-do list of things to buy. So click on the bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys lots. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all your tremendous support all the time. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.